How to link Shopify and Klaviyo easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to link your Shopify store with an email marketing platform Klaviyo. So let's get started. First of all, what you guys need to do is you will open up your myshopify.com and you will get to the admin right here. Open up your admin. You have a store on Shopify, then what you guys need to do is go to klaviyo.com, which is a very famous email marketing platform that allows you to create email marketing campaigns. And we have different flows such as abandoned cart and welcome series too. So once you have created an account on Klaviyo and you have a store on Shopify, I'll show you how to link them. Go to your apps right here and open up your Shopify app store. Here you're gonna search for Klaviyo. This is our platform, Klaviyo email marketing and SMS. Let's select it. Then you're gonna click on add app. You can see I have already installed this. Click on add app and this will be added to your Shopify right here. You can see right here it has been added. All you need to do is just continue and log into your Klaviyo account once you have added your app. So you will just click on continue, connect, and your Klaviyo will be added. After that, once you click on open app, it will open up the Klaviyo for you, and you can see this is our main dashboard of Klaviyo that we can open up with Shopify now. So any of the abandoned flows, welcome series, email marketing campaigns, SMS that I create on Klaviyo are available on Shopify now. So just go ahead and create an account on klaviyo.com. There is already a video on the channel, and then you can just go to the app store and add the Klaviyo app and connect these two platforms. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.